snow. I don't know. All right.
I like the thing you do with your tongue.
You can't even talk.
And you think Jon Snow? I don't know.
You're right.
Yeah.
I can't talk. How big you think Jon Snow is? In the snow.
Oh, you'll never snow.
Oh, I got to tell you this. So I heard Ken saying this earlier on his show, and I got to bring this up because it was pissing me off. He was like, "There's got this new thing out called Cameo." I'm like, "This isn't new. It's been out for like 5 years." So it's been out.
Whatever. I didn't hear about it. So, but nobody could even come up with the name, though, dude. Nobody knew what the fuck I was talking about. Did you hear that?
Yeah, because you know what it is it's old now that nobody cares anymore. But like
Tommy didn't even know the name, and he just joined it, Joe.
5 years. Well, Tommy's an idiot. But 5 years ago, I'm sorry, Tommy. Hi. No.
Thanks, Joe. Yeah.
I forgot you were here. I forgot you were here.
Yeah, I know. Joe talks shit about me when I'm not even around. Thanks, Joe.
I didn't.
Fucking scumbag.
You piece of shit. No.
Shit, you piece of shit.
Is he seriously still in here right now?
Yeah, he's here. No, he's laying on his fucking couch. I don't know why he's still here, but he's here.
I just want to be a part of what you guys
dude, so a couple weeks ago, if everybody remembers, a couple weeks ago, I dared all the listeners on Monday Night Raw review. I dared everybody to buy cameos from Ryback, saying like Joe Cronin Show and like.
Yeah,
hey,
I heard you say that. Yeah, keep fucking with me, you piece of shit.
So I did that, and 3 people at least that I know of did it, and all 3 of them were rejected and refunded.
What? Are you serious?
What was that?
What the fuck was that?
Was that a soundbite?
Dude,
I didn't know
I was laughing.
That's your laugh? Well, I did that. Listen to this, ready? People at least that I know of did it, and all 3 of them were rejected and refunded.
What? Don't use it. Is that Joe? What he was doing?
What?
He was trying to make fun of you.
He was trying to make fun of me?
Yeah, that's what that was.
I think you're right.
Yeah, he was like laughing at you as to say like, haha, asshole.
Why? I didn't pay for it.
Right or wrong, Tommy?
We thought that was going to happen.
No, we're not making fun of Joe.
What's that?
Was that a soundbite?
Laugh.
That's what a scumbag does.
End the show. End the show. End the show. That's the fucking. Oh my god, dude. And that's what a scumbag does. That's a fucking. Oh my god, dude. If you were listening to this whole show, that was fucking amazing callback right there. Holy shit. All right, let's go to the questions and we'll be fucking